Hey vlog, I'm in Walmart with DeAndre. Today is Wednesday and it's January the 8th. And today is his last day at home with us and we are preparing for him to move in tomorrow. So we came to Walmart to get school supplies, y'all. And I just completely forgot to pick up the camera, but I really wish I would have brought y'all along because he is very tight with his money. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get in the car because I don't want people looking at me. I'm back. Let me open up the vlog. Welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to today's vlog. This is DeAndre's moving vlog. This is officially his last night at home, y'all. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Ready? What's up, y'all?
This is my college freshman. Anyway, we're about to head home. I'm gonna go in his room and see if I need to help him out. He wanted me to do it last night, but at the time, I wasn't ready for that. I had just finished eating. I was just ready to go to sleep. But we're gonna go in his room and see if he needs some help or if he has everything done. I think, y'all, I've been struggling with this seatbelt, but I think he's ready. He has a lot of stuff, so we'll see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Chloe, how are you feeling? No, she already cried.
I wasn't even crying. A few tears.
You just shed some tears. Oh, she just shed some tears for her big brother. I know, it's just gonna be me and the kid. Just gonna be his. Great morning. It is the morning of DeAndre's move out. We're here at Lowe's. We have to grab him another bin to put some things in. Y'all, it's been an emotional morning. As I was praying this morning, I couldn't help but to start, to shed some tears because, y'all, this is my baby boy. And I just want him to be okay. I want him to enjoy this experience, but I want him to be safe, most importantly, because people are crazy these days. So anyway, I know he's covered and all that good stuff, but we are at Lowe's going in to pick up a bin. Oh, they're right in the front. Y'all, he already have bins like this. And DeAndre is real anal about everything looking the same. These are the bins that he has, and he wanted the same kind of bin that he already has. So this thing is huge. 75 gallon. You could put a lot more in there. Oh, it's deep too. Y'all, Pawpaw done left me. He already checking out. Good morning. We're done in Lowe's. Now I'm trying to see how we're gonna fit this big old 75 gallon bin in a car. Huh? I'm gonna have to move the seat up. Okay. Pawpaw did it. So how you feeling today?
Cool right now. Straight.
I already let them know that I started off with an emotional morning. It's crazy, y'all, because like I was saying to him, when Coco went off to school, Coco is my oldest, if you don't know, I didn't cry. And she went to College Station. I did not cry. DeAndre is still here in the city, and I don't know. I've been emotional about this whole moving situation, but I know he'll be fine. He has a strong mind of his own. I know all of that. It's just the other people. And I just need him to be mindful and have that strong spirit of discernment to just make the right choices. Because we all know, if you're an adult, whether you have children or not, you know that you're only one decision away from doing something, whether it's a good decision to change your life or a bad decision to change your life. So I just want him to be smart, just period. And I know he is. He's a very smart young man. That's why he's going to Rice University. It's that other smartness that I want him to have. And I think he have it because he had a good teacher. So that's it. That's all. We're about to start loading up, y'all. I'll see y'all later.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with.
There he go. There go to college man.
Hey, nah, I need a brush, man. Hold on.
Hi, Kirsten.
Oh, okay, so you hold on. So you got the hoodie. You gave us the shirt. I got the shirt.
Now, this is my oldest son. This is Officer Lorkin. Oh, you don't like people to know you're an officer, huh?
Oh, it's too late. Hello, Corey.
Hey, come here. Come over here.
Bring it out for these.
Y'all look. These are my children. Hold on, y'all.
Take it right here.
It's all right. Oh, goodness. Okay. Y'all, we're headed to the coordinator's office, trying to find a key card. This is made like a hotel. Okay, DeAndre's roommate was calling him, and he was around the corner with his parents. So DeAndre started going around the corner, and he gets so embarrassed, y'all, by my camera. So I was following behind him, and... What? We met the roommate and his parents around there. That's gonna be his roommate. This is DeAndre's roommate. This is his grandmother. That's his parents. His name Mike.
Mom, Aaron, Amy.
Mike.
We headed up. Man, it's cold. We still got a bunch of stuff to move.
ID? Yeah. Right here.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, she say it's several cleaning ladies on the hallways. It's like it's downstairs. I mean, like it's outside with the floors. So this is side. Okay.
Okay, look right here and smile and hold your pose. Very good. Okay, so this should just take less than 5 minutes.
Mr. Official.
Yeah. Look at that.
That boy Official.
There's a picture
All
on that.
right, I saw it.
Oh, no, they gotta see.
Wait, it's dark right here. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Thank y'all so much.
Yeah.
Oh, hurry up.
Come on, ma.
It ain't even big enough, though.
Come on. Wait. Hold the door. Hold the door. Yeah, wait. Hold on.
Hey, come back down and give me a brick. Y'all, go ahead, ma.
Give me the key.
Go ahead, wait, man.
Good on this elevator.
Why you ain't close it? Why you just keep the scooter open?
Swipe it. D. Swipe the card. Oh. Okay.
Relax, chill.
This it? Excuse us. Y'all settled in?
Hey, yo, we're around the corner. This one.
Turn like 3 times before you
Oh, we.
Oh, you got it good. Right now, y'all hands together with it. To the right, to the left.
I just did that. You see me?
All the way to the left.
See? But I just had it open. I opened it to get in here the first time.
Why is it just turning? Okay.
This is so embarrassing.
Mama, I mean, you try to open
Okay, well, you open it.
I'm glad you got all that on camera today.
You're supposed to turn it one time, rotation.
So is it stripped?
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Chloe.
See, that's why she needs to come today. You was trying to hold that school.
I was trying to make her go to school. I had your dad and Britt switch these mattresses.
You gotta.
Oh, wow.
Because this one is way better than that one.
Mama, this one is softer.
D. Okay, y'all, let's see. This is the study room. Let's see what's in here.
This would be a perfect setup.
Oh, this is nice. Yes, they have a stove, a microwave.
Girl,
Oh, wow.
he good. We can get us a food stamp.
Mm,
You have some food stamps, you got a refrigerator.
okay.
You can eat boudin and stuff like that.
No. I keep telling you, your grandson is bougie.
I can see it. I can see it. Sick one time or something?
Yeah, he ain't 80 cents. Well, y'all, it's about that time. He left to go do a mandatory lunch, and then he has orientation. Yeah, we didn't even get to hug him and tell him bye. Come on. So we're headed down. How you feeling, Chloe? You want to cry? No. Yeah, we're headed to lunch now. We were hoping that he could have joined us for lunch, but he has college obligations. You know, my feelings were hurt this morning, but I'm actually okay now. I'm good. Then he has his sister here with him, so I'm good. Oh, she gonna miss her brother. It's okay, baby. I know you didn't even get to give him a hug. You're gonna have to FaceTime him later, all right? Okay. Gonna be okay. You got mama. It's gonna be me and you. Your star coming off. It's coming off. Tell the vlog. Peace out. Y'all, we are at Cleburne. Thank you, sir.
Where they come?
Looks really nice. What are the flavors of this yellow? They won't even answer you when you ask a question. What is this right here? Who? And that's meatloaf. And what is that right there?
This is our sausage and barbecue.
Oh Lord, I
I
don't
got
know.
black and catfish.
I have black and catfish and fried catfish.
Let me try that one right there.
For you?
No, it's beef. I can't eat anything fried, so. Potatoes. Hey, today is Friday. It is January 10th. And y'all, I am here to close out the vlog because I forgot yesterday. If you have made it to this portion of the video, thank you for tuning in. Y'all saw I left my baby yesterday. Oh my goodness. Like, it was a bittersweet moment, but y'all, I'm good. I'm blessed. My child is still right here in the city with me. I won't get to see him every day. However, it is just a true blessing to be able to drive right across town, give him a hug if I need to, see his face. For that, I am grateful. I thank God for that. And I'm just ready and looking forward to the football season. But anyway, that's kind of further down the road, a few months. So if you enjoyed today's vlog, DeAndre's moving vlog, y'all know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. If you have not joined the squad, click that subscribe button and don't forget your notification bell. I need you to know every time I upload a video. And of course, share it. Y'all know sharing means caring. With that being said, I will see each one of you in the next video. Same place, same channel. Adios.